Good morning, it's Jeremy here from Red LBP Property Inspections. This morning we're in Ponsonby. The lower level of this old home has been dug into the bank and there are retaining walls made of concrete block along the exteriors. So I was just in this walk-in wardrobe and I noticed there was just on damp moisture readings along the skirting board here. So below 80 but above 50. So I decided, don't tell anybody I do this, I'll get into trouble. I decided to pull back the carpet and you can see here that the carpet edging to the right here has been replaced and the one along there is water damaged. And then when we look at the concrete floor, we can see what looks like a damp area on the floor. We're going to put my moisture meter on it. It's wet, so there appears to be water coming up through the concrete slab in this basement development, which is a real pity.